What's going on, family? So I'm coming to you. I'm on a different stage of it right now. I just tacked all my pieces together to make sure that it was all, constructed correctly. And now I'm about to separate them and weld it out. One thing I can say, I really like the fact that I put wheels on this box because I can, roll it around to get to what I need to. And that cord is actually long enough to reach it. So it made it pretty dope, man. I'm proud of my fab box because it has helped me save time and money. Even though I had to put time and a little money into it to build it what I wanted, now it is actually making me money. You know what I mean? And helping me when I'm assisting because if you can build a tool, it's like a person. I remember one guy told me he built a little robot to hold pieces of metal and stuff in the shop for him, so that way he didn't have to have a helper. He built a helper. Literally, he built this deal. It was neat, and it helped him do everything that he needed to do. And he was by himself. And then once he grew his company, then he had 4 people in the shop, and he still used the little helper that he made. It was a trip, but I thought it was something to think about, because sometimes you won't have the people in your corner that you want in your corner. You won't have the people investing in you or patting on your back that you want. But sometimes you got to do it yourself, and you have to create. You know how they say when we was young, we create imaginary friends. Out here, once we get our skills and our abilities up, we can actually build a robot, build a friend to help us make some money. All gone.